How to prepare a Parquet file in Python. 3 libraries, 2 lines each. Same CSV file, 3 ways. Pandas, pyarrow, and polars. Parquet is the columnar binary format that compresses 3 to 10 times smaller than CSV, reads faster, and preserves the schema in the file. If you searched for this, you probably hit a CSV that's too slow, too big, or losing its types every time you reload it. Parquet fixes all 3. Today we run the same 2-line conversion in each of the 3 Python libraries that matter. Same input, 3 outputs, compare the sizes. We're converting a CSV to Parquet. 3 libraries side by side, same dataset. Open nvim. Save it as prepare_parquet.py. 4 imports first. Pandas, pyarrow, polars, the 3 libraries that produce Parquet in Python. Method 1. Pandas, pd.read CSV, chained into dot to Parquet. 2 lines. Most analysts already have Pandas installed. This is the default. Method 2. pyarrow, the lowest layer. pq.-write table accepts a pyarrow table directly. Reach for it when you need fine control over compression or schema. Method 3. Polars, pl.read CSV chained into .write Parquet. Same shape. Smallest output, fastest writer. Print the size of each output so we can compare them side by side. Save and run with Python. 3.4 megabytes of CSV becomes about 1 megabyte of Parquet. 1.13 for Pandas. 3 things to take away. First, Parquet beats CSV on size, speed, and schema preservation. For any CSV that gets read more than once, Parquet is the next stop. Second, the conversion is 2 lines in any of the 3 libraries. Pandas if you already use it, pyarrow if you need compression control, polars for the smallest files. Third, snappy compression is the right default. Use Z-standard at level 3 for archival or anything bandwidth sensitive. Avoid gzip. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for more Python answers.